Welcome back. I'm Vinudhi Wahalathanthri and today I'm here with a new video explaining y'all how I programmed the sign up page I showed y'all in my before video. So in my previous video, I showed y'all how to create a responsive user sign in and sign up page using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. In this video, we'll be discussing the validation part of the sign-up page. So we'll be checking whether the details we insert to create a new account is correct, valid, duplicated, or complete. So let's move on. Okay, let's begin by adding only my first name to sign up. So I'll add my first name as Vinudhi and sign up. Yes. Now you all can see that I have received an alert to enter my last name. So this page is programmed to identify empty text fields and track invalid information. Okay, now we will add data one by one to see the alerts we get. So I'll add my last name and sign up. Yes, now I have got an alert saying that please enter your email. So as my email, I'll just type random numbers and letters and sign up. Yes, now y'all can see that I have received an alert or an error saying that this email is invalid. Why is it invalid? Because if it's an email, it should contain @gmail.com. So this don't contain that. So that's why it's invalid. So because of that, let's add a valid email address and sign up. Yes. Now it says please enter your password. I'll give a password as 123. Sign up. Your password should be in 5 to 20 characters. Yes. So then I'll add 1, 2, 3, 4 and sign up. Please enter your mobile. I'll add this number and sign up. Yes, now I have got an error saying that this number is invalid. Why? If it's a mobile number, it should contain the 2 digits 0 and 7. So I have given a valid mobile number and now I'll sign up. Finally, I have got an alert as success, meaning that I have been registered to the database successfully. Okay, now let's move on to my database where I have stored the user's details when they sign up. Okay, now you all can see that I have been registered successfully to the user database I have created. Let's sign up another user to our database now. So now I'll sign up another user as Johnny Deaf and his email same to mine. And the password as 123456 and the mobile as and sign up. Yes, now I have got an error saying that your mobile must have 10 characters. Okay, sign up. Yes, now you all can see that I have got an error saying that user with the same email or mobile already exists. So, it's really hard to duplicate someone else's data in this page. So, because it avoids data duplication from the database. So, I'll add the Gmail as j@gmail.com and sign up. Okay, now this user has been successfully registered to the database. Okay, so this is all for my sign up page. Let's move on to see the backend codes I have given to create this page. These are the codes I have given for my sign up page. So y'all can see that in my sign up page, I have given IDs for every single text field I have given. So you can see that I have added F for F name, L for last name, E for email, P for password, M for mobile, and G for gender. So we will be using these IDs to gain our values from JavaScript. Okay, now you can see that I have added a selector tag for my gender section. So without adding options to it, I have coded some queries to connect this to my database. So inside my PHP script, I have given a require for the connection.php file. What is this connection.php file? So we can see this part in our sign-up process.php's code too. It means that we will be needing this connection.php to function these codes. Here we can see in our connection.php file that it's coded in the singleton pattern. So this coding format is similar to Java programming in NetBeing. So here we have made a connection with the database. So if you know Java programming, it's quite easy to understand this code. So here I have added a function as our method, and setup connection is the part which creates a connection with the database. You can also see that I have added a ESET with the exclamation mark. So we take this to check whether a value is set to my static variable, which you can see over here. So if not set, it creates a new connection. So at the end, when this query is executed, it returns to the place the query is passed. So that's all for my connection.php file. Let's move on to our index.php file now. Okay. Inside my PHP script, I have given a search query for my gender table in my database. So here what I've done is, I have taken the rows of my gender table and put them inside a for loop. And I have added that data as my options over here. Here I have coded this part as the name of the gender, which I have coded as my option. And the value of this option is the ID of the gender name. So when we move on to our database, when I sign up as a male, it registers as number 1 because I have given an ID for my gender type as 1 and 2. So if it's male, it would be 1, and if it's female, it would be 2. Okay. Next, I have given 2 buttons. So I have added one button with the sign up function and another button with the change view function. So that's all for my sign up HTML codes. Okay, let's move on to the function which happens from the sign up button. So the sign up function registers our data to the database. Let's move on to our JavaScript file. So in my JavaScript code, I have started my sign up function. I have assigned every single ID to a variable of their own. So as we are sending this in the post method, which is save then get method, we will have to create a form. So here I have inserted my values. So over here I have coded the way my alert should work during a success and an error. So here you all can see that as we are sending these messages in the AJAX way, I have created an AJAX request, a new XML HTTP request. So as I'm sending this data in the AJAX method, I have also given a condition as true over here. Okay. So next, we'll be moving on to our signup process.php code. Okay, here we are in our signup process.php code. So here, as I told you all before, we have added another require for our connection.php file as we will be needing this. So, then I have started a session to create a new session if there isn't any cookies when sending a request to the server. Next, I have taken the new values I have appended in my JavaScript file. Then I have added a if-else ladder, which is super long. So these are the codes which checks whether your details are correct and complete. So this whole part is my registering process where my details register to my database over here. So this part checks whether the rows are duplicated. And this part registered my joint date. So if all my details are fully completed without any errors, I will receive an alert as success over here. So that's all for my sign up process.php code. So that's all for my codes. I hope y'all understood my explanation well. So thank you everyone for watching my video. I really appreciate it. Thank you for watching. Bye.